Let's learn how to hide our navigation bar buttons. I mean recent key, home key and back key. We can hide these keys, and let's learn how to get full screen display. Go to mobile settings. Scroll down this page and click on features option. In here, click on system navigation option. Now we already enabled this virtual navigation option. You can see here gestures option. You can click on this gestures option. After, we can see full screen display. You can see a small instructions in here. Set from bottom to edge on the center of the screen. Return to home. And other option is set from bottom edge on the center of the screen and hold 4 seconds to view recent apps. If you want to go to back, set from outside of the bottom or left edge. After, you can go to back. Let's try it. Now I go to home screen like this. You can see if I want to open recent apps, I can open my recent apps like this. If I want to go to back, I can go to back like this. I think this full screen display mode get professional look to our mobile. If you like this feature, you can enable it.